If you're trying to build or repair your credit, you know how frustrating the process can be. Traditional credit building options often come with roadblocks, credit checks, high interest rates, annual fees, or complex approval requirements that make it difficult for someone with a low or non-existent credit score to get started. That's where Kikoff comes in. This app is designed to make credit building simple, affordable, and accessible to just about anyone. Whether you're just getting started or trying to recover from past financial mistakes, Kikoff aims to help you improve your credit score without the usual hassles. And the best part, no credit checks, no hidden fees, and no interest. Sounds great, right? But how well does it actually work? Let's break it down. One of the first things that stand out about Kikoff is how easy it is to sign up. Unlike traditional credit cards or loans, which often require a credit check and a lengthy approval process, Kikoff skips that entirely. That means even if your credit score is in rough shape or you don't have a credit history at all, you can still get started. The entire sign-up process takes just a few minutes, and once you're in, Kikoff immediately begins reporting your account to all three major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. That's a big deal because not all credit building services report to all three bureaus. Some only report to one or two, which limits how much impact they can have on your overall credit profile. By reporting to all three, V maximizes your chances of improving your credit score across the board. Now, how does it actually help your credit? The way Kikoff works is by giving you access to a tradeline, a credit account that gets reported to the credit bureaus. When you sign up for the basic plan, you're given a $750 trade line. With the premium and ultimate plans, you get access to higher trade lines of $2,500 and $3,500 respectively. The key here is that these trade lines help improve several important credit factors, including your credit mix, average account age, and payment history. Since payment history is the single most important factor in determining your credit score, making on-time payments to Kikoff can have a significant positive impact over time. Another huge benefit is how Kikoff helps with credit utilization. Credit utilization, the amount of available credit you're using, plays a major role in your credit score. The general rule of thumb is to keep your utilization below 30%, but ideally, you want it to be much lower. Since Kikoff's trade line is reported as available credit but doesn't actually function like a traditional credit card, meaning you're not using it for purchases, it automatically helps lower your utilization ratio. That alone can be a game changer for people who are trying to improve their credit fast. One of Kikoff's most valuable features available with the premium and ultimate plans is rent reporting. If you're renting a place, you're already making a significant monthly payment, so why not have it count toward your credit score? Rent reporting allows you to build credit history by reporting your rent payments to the credit bureaus. Kikoff even lets you report up to 2 years of past rent payments for a one-time fee, which can provide an instant boost to your credit score. Given that rent is often one of the largest expenses people have, this is a powerful tool for building credit without taking on new debt. Beyond the credit building aspect, Kikoff offers a few extra perks depending on which plan you choose. The ultimate plan includes identity theft insurance up to $1 million and personal data protection, which is useful in today's world where cyber threats and data breaches are increasingly common. Another interesting feature is the Kikoff secured credit card. Unlike a traditional credit card, this one functions more like a debit card, allowing you to build credit with everyday purchases without the risk of high-interest debt. That's a great option for people who want to build credit without the temptation of overspending. Of course, no service is perfect, and Kikoff does have some limitations. One of the biggest drawbacks is that while Kikoff gives you a trade line, it's not actual money you can spend. Some people sign up expecting to have access to a credit card or loan, but that's not how it works. Instead, Kikoff's trade line is a credit building tool that gets reported to the bureaus to help boost your score. If you're looking for immediate access to credit, this isn't the solution. Another thing to keep in mind is that while Kikoff can help improve your score, it's not a magic fix. If you have other negative factors affecting your credit, like late payments on other accounts, high balances on credit cards, or collections, It may take longer to see significant results. Kickoff works best when combined with other good credit habits like paying all your bills on time and keeping your debt low. It's also worth noting that while Kickoff reports to all three credit bureaus, not all lenders weigh these types of trade lines the same way when making lending decisions. That means while Kickoff can help improve your score, it might not be enough on its own to qualify for certain loans or credit cards. It's still an important tool, but it's best used as part of a broader credit building strategy rather than a standalone solution. So, is Kickoff worth it? For most people, yes. If you're looking for an easy, low-cost way to build credit, Kickoff is one of the best options out there. It's affordable, it reports to all three bureaus, and it doesn't come with the risks of traditional credit cards or loans. At just $5 a month for the basic plan, it's one of the most budget-friendly ways to boost your credit score. And if you want extra features like rent reporting, identity theft protection, or secured credit card, the premium and ultimate plans offer a lot of value. Ultimately, Kickoff is a great choice for people who are new to credit or trying to rebuild after financial struggles. Just remember that credit building is a long-term game. And while Kickoff can give you a solid boost, you still need to practice good financial habits to see the best results. If you're committed to improving your credit and want a simple, low-risk way to do it, Kickoff is definitely worth considering.